Hanami wasn't just a villain. He was a cursed spirit born from nature's rage at how we've treated the planet. What struck me was how calm he was, even in battle, fighting not out of hate, but belief. His voice was so soothing, yet everything he said was laced with sadness about what humans have done to the earth. Behind the terrifying appearance was a purpose: to protect the natural world in the only way he knew how. His plant-based powers were stunning: deadly vines, thorn attacks, and photosynthesis-based regeneration.